In today's video, I will show you how to make this beautiful pink bow scrunchie. You will need some pink yarn and a hair tie. To start, chain 64. Then leave out 2 chains. Now, we will make 8 half double crochets. We're just a few steps away from reaching 100 subscribers, and your support helps a lot. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a like and comment, it helps a lot. But getting back to work, you can see how simple it is, right? I hope you're all keeping up with all of this without getting tired. And we're finished. Then we do 6 slip stitches. You will see this accessory is very easy to make and looks absolutely amazing. And the best part is that you can make them to sell. I believe many people will buy. And that gives us 6 slip stitches. Now we do 14 half double crochets. And that's our 14 stitches. Next, we work 6 more slip stitches. Since my channel is still small, I don't know if you like my videos yet, and YouTube doesn't know either. So your likes and comments are very important. Now we do 14 more half double crochet. Next, we work 6 more slip stitches. And we finish with 8 half double crochets. And that's our first row done. For the next rows, we'll just repeat the same pattern. I will add 2 more rows following the same pattern, but you can add as many as you like. I will do that and come back and to show you how it turned out. Let's finish our last row with half double crochet. And we finished the rows. Wow, it's perfect! Now, let's attach the hair tie. With our needle, we'll sew the bow onto the hair tie. Look how pretty it's turning out. Now let's wrap this yarn around, as you can see in the video. Let's tie it here. Wow, it's amazing and super romantic. If you liked it, please let me know in the comments. This is very beautiful. Bye!